Hey there, everybody. Glad you're here. Want to go over something I feel is really important and I'm looking forward to sharing with you. So what I want to talk about is how to strengthen your neck. Now, there's a lot of discussion given to the importance of strengthening your lower back. Of course, we know that's really, really important to stabilize you. But I think in this new era of COVID and Zoom meetings and working from home and lots of screen time, I'm seeing, and I think I'm hearing a lot of people having issues with their neck and their neck's not being stable and being prone to injury. So I want to go over something you can do at home that's fantastic, that'll help you strengthen your neck. And I'm going to show you another video that I hopefully will release next week on a couple different exercises. So the first thing I want to talk about is just the importance of having normal range of motion. And I'll go over it with you. So you want your neck to be able to flex, that's bending forward. You want it to extend. You want it to laterally flex, and you want it to rotate. So we've talked about stretching, and I'm gonna add a little twist to that. So now you're gonna stretch, but you're gonna stretch and really use your muscles, and I'll show you what I mean. Let's say, for instance, you go to bend to the side and you go, my goodness, boy, that's really tight. What you're gonna do now is, like before, you're gonna give it a good stretch. This is called active range of motion. But the twist we're gonna add is you're gonna really make sure that you're using that muscle, pulling into the stretch. And if you find there's a particular range of motion that's tight, I want you to add some repetitions into it. So for instance, you might do this, 3 or 5 times and just start slow. I don't want to hear you doing 30 or 50 repetitions right off the hop because you're going to be sore and it's going to be a disaster. So start slow. This is something that we're hoping you're going to basically do the rest of your life, and just make sure you have a nice, healthy, strong, stable spine. So yeah, you're going to really push into that stretch and get those muscles on this side of your neck working. Why don't you shoot for 3 to 5? If you're a little more in shape and you're feeling more confident with your body, maybe up to 10 repetitions, and I'd stop at that, even if it feels easy. If you're hearing grinding, cracking, popping sounds, I know it's not pleasant, but you need to kind of go through that, and you need to get your neck lubricated, because when your spine doesn't have a full range of motion, the reason that's bad for you is that it prevents blood from circulating and getting to everywhere it needs to get to, like your bones and ligaments and cartilages and nerves and what have you. So normal range of motion is so important. So you're going to work on that, and you're going to do your normal stretches, but you're going to make special emphasis to really push into those hard areas and do some repetitions just to get those muscles working. Okay, that's called active range of motion. So that's terrific. Thanks a lot for watching. Good luck with it. Remember, don't overdo it, and just go slow, and talk to your health professional if there's any issues. If you're sore after doing these things, you might have overdid it. Maybe try some heat and just take it easy and go slow with it. So appreciate you watching. Stay healthy, and we will talk to you soon.